ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning, is the backbone of modern business efficiency. It's the technology that helps close financial books, manage customer orders, and ensure logistics run smoothly. Without ERP, timely decisions and accurate financial records would be a challenge. An ERP system is a suite of interconnected modules, each dedicated to a specific business area. They share a common database, allowing for seamless data usage across finance, human resources, procurement, and more. Companies can tailor their ERP system by selecting the modules that best fit their needs. Modules like finance and human resources are often the starting points for ERP systems. They provide essential functions like automating financial tasks, managing payroll, and streamlining procurement processes. These modules work together to create a single source of truth within an organization. SAP SCM, or Supply Chain Management, is a specialized software that integrates with SAP's customer relationship management to optimize supply chains. It's designed to handle workflows and logistics, ensuring efficiency and simplifying network logistics across industries. Supply Chain Management, SCM, is critical for seamless product delivery, from order to inventory management to on-time delivery. SCM ensures collaboration and communication across departments, maintaining the flow of goods and financial systems. A digital supply chain leverages advanced technology for informed decision-making. It requires integrating legacy systems with planning processes, asset management, and procurement to digitize effectively. SAP SCM offers predictive analytics and transportation management to keep supply chains agile. ERP and SCM serve different purposes. ERP is a comprehensive business management solution, while SCM focuses on optimizing the supply chain. ERP covers a broad range of business functions, whereas SCM hones in on supply chain planning and execution. Combining SCM with ERP systems can enhance supply chain management, leading to improved customer service, efficiency, and reduced operational costs. As businesses grow, integrating SCM with ERP becomes increasingly vital for streamlined operations from supplier to customer. In conclusion, SAP's vision with S/4 HANA is to empower customers with AI, big data, and a focus on sustainable environments. Companies with robust supply chain resilience, aided by ERP and SCM integration, are positioned to excel in a demanding market.